Charlie Chaplin on the assembly line, frantically falling behind. It's an iconic scene, replayed across pop culture. I Love Lucy did a version. So did The Simpsons. The assembly line is, in all its chaos and efficiency, living deep in the collective imagination. Today, that imagination is more high-tech. Robots, 3D printers, sensor-packed production lines. Yet the problems of the past, the flows not flowing, are still as relevant as ever. Take Tesla. In early 2024, it shut down its Berlin Gigafactory. Not for lack of technology, but because just a handful of component parts were delayed in the Red Sea. That's discrete manufacturing in a nutshell. Individual, countable products, often assembled from thousands of parts and sub-assemblies, sourced from around the world, and yes, often built on some form of an assembly line. This is just part of what makes it fundamentally different from its sibling, process manufacturing, which produces goods like chemicals, paper, or paint, things not easily broken into parts. Yes, both worlds share principles, like a relentless focus on metrics and adherence to methodologies like Lean and Six Sigma. But discrete manufacturing has its own language, rhythms, and challenges. It's defined by distinct processes and dynamics. To work effectively with discrete manufacturers, you don't need to become an operations guru, but you do need to speak their language and understand their unique challenges. This primer will give you that foundation, covering the sectors that make up discrete manufacturing, the dynamics that shape how they operate, and the core processes used to make discrete products.